In this video, I'm going to show you how to save time with the recycle bin in Zoho Desk. The recycle bin feature is a powerful tool that can help you save time and improve efficiency in managing your support tickets. In this guide, we'll explore the benefits of using the recycle bin and how to use it effectively. The recycle bin provides a safety net for accidental deletions. If you mistakenly delete a ticket, you can easily restore it from the recycle bin without any hassle. You can keep your ticket list clean and clutter-free. Instead of permanently deleting tickets, you can move them to the recycle bin, giving you the freedom to focus on active and relevant tickets. You can also minimize the risk of losing important ticket data permanently. It allows you to retrieve deleted tickets whenever needed, even after they have been removed from your active ticket list. So let's go ahead and delete a ticket and then access the recycle bin to restore. Log into your Zoho Desk and click on the Tickets module. Let's find a ticket to accidentally delete. We're going to click on the checkbox and click on Delete. Now, to access the recycle bin, let's click on the Settings cog in the top right-hand corner. Find the Data Administration submenu and click on Recycle Bin. And here we can see a list of tickets that are sat in the recycle bin ready to be either restored or permanently deleted. Now, to restore a ticket, if you click the checkbox on one of the tickets, it's going to now give you an option to restore the ticket or delete it. You can also mass restore and mass delete tickets. So let's go ahead and just restore one of these tickets for now. So that's now vanished from the recycle bin, and if I go over to the tickets module, we can see that that ticket has been restored. Now let's go back over to the recycle bin and see what other tickets there are. So if you have tickets in the recycle bin that you no longer need, you can permanently delete these to free up storage space by simply clicking on the checkbox and clicking Delete. But note that this action cannot be done. This permanently deletes your tickets from the recycle bin, so please use this option with caution. By default, deleted tickets will be kept in the recycle bin for 30 days. After this period, they will be automatically purged from the system. However, you can change this retention period in the Zoho Desk settings to better suit your needs. In conclusion, the recycle bin feature in Zoho Desk offers several benefits, including accidental deletion recovery, improved organisation, and reduced data loss risk. By following these steps, you can effectively use the recycle bin to save time and streamline your ticket management process. If you found this useful, please share with your colleagues and like, follow, and subscribe to discover any of our videos as they are released.